bounce, 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 bouncing on your arch trampoline.
Firstly, setting up the shade sail, you get your poles out of the kit and put them together with a slight bang on the surface for them to lock in. Secondly, the C-bolt goes through the top part of the hole, and with the washer and nut, just leave enough thread on both sides so you've got plenty of adjustment either way. That just spins on. Yeah, that's ready to go. And with the clamps, put the clamps on your poles, and about 5 centimetres down from the bottom of each pole is a good start. Just hand tighten them at this stage of the install. Yeah, 5 centimetres down from each side. Preferably with the handle for adjustment onto the hole on the right hand side so you can wind. Now we've put all our shade sail poles around the trampoline ready to install. Best to put your clamps, we recommend about 10 centimetres from the top of a net, so the first clamp will go there, so you can mark it or just know your spot, and then just get your clamps on at the level there, go past. Then with your left hand, hold the clamps, the claws of the clamp while you wind it fairly firm. Fairly firm. And then you can do the second one there. So the next stage, now that the poles are up, you need to lower each pole down so you can stand inside on the bounce mat and install the shade sail to each point. Now that the poles have been lowered, you can install the shade sail. Every second eyelet has an elastic that's in your kit. So the first one's going on there. And then you go to the other side of the trampoline to make sure you've got even spans across. Now that the shade sail's on, you can loosen off the bottom clamp and push the poles through to your desired height. As previously said, about 5 centimetres from the bottom is probably an ideal height. Go around to each pole and do that. And then if you need further adjustment, you can adjust the C-bolts along the thread, in or out. Now the shade sail is completely installed. There is some further adjustment and tightening you can do. A flathead screwdriver can fit inside the winder here to tighten them further. And also, because the wind will buffet the sail, there is some more extra tightening further down the track to tighten up your clamps on the enclosure poles further.
You can have fun bouncing on your arch trampoline.